Okay, guys, good morning. We woke up in the truck. I am not going to show you guys us right now because we look crazy.
Don't show too bad.
But
They don't think I'm fat. I'm joking. It's okay. I'm about to eat 2 sandwiches.
Babe's going to make 2 sandwiches for herself.
Don't tell them
Got
that.
some provolone cheese. And what's the turkey? Oh, with the turkey. And we're watching YouTube currently. I'm going to have some macaroni with hot dog. Can't have macaroni without hot dog, okay? And that's about it. So, we're just waiting to get a load, and we're gonna go shower after we eat. Go shower, brush our teeth and everything. We're at a Love's right now. Can't see it, but
There's a whole lot of bobtail for real.
there's so many bobtails. Yo, we woke up, there was no bobtails here. The only bobtail was that one when we parked, and now there's literally nothing but bobtails here. So anyway, all right, guys.
Feelings, it's like I can't walk on the ceiling. Oh yeah, got me dreaming, dreaming in colors I never dreamed in. Oh yeah, I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took 'em all and made 'em yours. Didn't know what my heartbeat needed. Skipping out, no, I can't keep score. When I lose my breath, boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Oh.
Okay, guys, so we actually didn't shower at the other Loves that we were at. So currently we are in Nevada. They had us bobtail to Nevada. We're not there yet. We have like a whole bunch of miles left to go. But yeah, so they had us deadhead. We're going to Nevada, to Las Vegas to pick up a load to go to Orlando, Florida. Exciting, and then we'll take our reset there. So yeah, let's go to the showers.
In yours, didn't know what my heartbeat needed. Skipping out, no, I can't keep score. When I lose my breath, boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Oh, you take me higher, you take me higher, baby, you take me higher, you take me higher, baby, you take me higher, you take me higher, baby, you take me higher, yeah, you take me higher, baby.
I really thought I was gonna get stuck in this soft ass sand. Who told them to park this trailer here in this soft sand? That's crazy. I really thought I was about to get stuck. So from here, we're picking up, this was supposed to be from Amazon, but apparently it got picked up like 2 days ago and dropped off here. So now we're taking it to Orlando, Florida. good. It's fine. What the heck? Are they retarded? They put the seal on the left side. Who did that? They're so stupid. Who did that? Anyway, if you don't know why I'm saying that, the seal should be on the right because I can literally open that door right now and see what's inside. You're supposed to put the seal on this door. I'm not gonna do that, but anyway, you get the point because that door opens first and that door can't open without that door. So that's why we put the seal on that door, but weirdos. My company wants us to take pictures anyway when we take their trailer. This is their trailer, I guess. So I'm definitely taking a picture of that because that makes no sense. That makes absolutely no sense. Weird. Stuck in traffic, literally backed up. I'm in New Mexico now. Beautiful mountains. Look at the train going by. We're starting to move. Yeah, backed up in traffic. Okay, so I have to say this. All these trucks, they went that way to like try to pass, and they created, oh gosh, I can't even see it anymore. They created their own traffic. I'm literally not even pushing the gas right now, so yeah. Okay guys, so we're going for another shower. This is like day 3 on this vlog. So yeah, I don't know how it's gonna look when I put it together, but hopefully good. We're at a pilot right now in Louisiana. We're going inside. I have to put my mask on. But yeah, so almost to Orlando.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me.
The windshield is so dirty, but we're in Florida now, guys. Pensacola. It's so beautiful, minus the dirty windshield.
Make it last forever. Stop in time. Yeah, I'm surrendering. Hold tight.
Okay guys, so it's officially day 4 and the last day of this vlog. Oh man, I made it. Like, I vlogged every day, okay? I may not have vlogged everything. Like, I don't think I vlogged me fueling at all, which I am fueling right now. But yeah, so it's day 4. I told you guys we were headed to Orlando, Florida. We made it there. We dropped the load. As you can see, we are bobtail right now. Okay, really quick, just to make it clear, my fiance, Eliante, she's the one that dropped the load, and she's the one driving home because my reset officially started when I finished driving the night before. So I was just fueling, but just to get that straight, so it makes more sense because we're gonna go back to work Tuesday morning. So that's when my reset will be over. So I'm headed home. We're gonna go home for our reset. We are out of hours. We're taking our reset at home, which is freaking awesome. Orlando is about 2.5 hours from where we live, and if you guys know Florida at all, you know that the last truck stop before West Palm Beach is all the way in, like, where am I, Fort Pierce, which is like an hour away. But let me explain our reset. So we're gonna take our reset as a team. We don't get the whole 34 hours because one person's reset starts when the other one, I don't know. So anyway, I am not even gonna leave you guys like that. As I was saying, I don't know why I stopped. I guess I got too lazy to explain it in the video. But as I was saying, as a team, we basically get 24 hours off together. So we still get a total of 34 hours. But for example, I think I stopped at, like, let's say 8 o'clock p.m. on Sunday night. Okay, 8 o'clock Sunday night. And then 24 hours from that is 8 o'clock Monday night. And then 12 more hours is going to be, or 10 more hours is going to be 6 o'clock Tuesday morning. So that's when I'll be ready. And then although Eliante won't be ready because she's not going to stop until we get home, since I'll be ready, I'll drive. And then by the time I'm done driving, she'll be ready. So I hope I explained it good enough. We're only going to be off on Monday, and we're going to go back on Tuesday. Today is Monday, and hopefully my vlog is up today as you're watching this. Today is Monday, and we're going back on Tuesday. They said they already have a load for us, which I'm pretty sure might be going back to Oregon. Hopefully, we love that load. So yeah, so we'll be back tomorrow, Tuesday, and hopefully I will start another vlog and do the whole week again, or I don't know, I might do it a day at a time. It depends what happens. If anything interesting happens, I'll do it. I haven't gotten to vlog any backing. Shit. I haven't gotten to vlog any backing or anything, so yeah, I don't know, maybe that'll happen. But anyway, give the video a thumbs up, comment down below, and make sure you guys subscribe for more videos. Bye.